A very good afternoon, my dear students. How are you all? I hope to all are safe. Stay home and stay safe. Welcome back to IIT Foundation Mathematics online class. Today class is chapter 1, that is real numbers. The chapter 1 real numbers topic is a rational numbers. Topic is rational numbers. So today we are discussing about square root of positive rational numbers. In this case, first we learn the square root. What is a square root? A square number can be and only with the digits 0, 1, 4, 6, 9 and 25. Okay. First we learn squares and square roots once observe that. So what is a square root? The square root of any real number is a number, rational or irrational, that when multiplied by itself will result in a product that it is the original number. That is a square root.
It is a symbol of square root. It is a symbol of a square root. Square root of a positive rational number. So since what is the square root of a positive rational number? We know that positive rational number means, so for example 1 by 2 or 3 by 4 like that. That is a rational numbers. So positive rational numbers. Positive rational numbers. Okay. Let A be, let A be any, let A be any positive rational number. Positive rational number, and we express root A equal to B. We express root A equal to B. That implies B square equal to A. Okay. So express root A equal to B. If and only B greater than 0 and B square equal to A. Okay children, if and only B greater than 0, it means the value of B is greater than 0 and B square equal to A, like this only. Okay, so the value of B is called the value of B is called positive rational number. Positive rational number. Did you understand children? Let A be any positive rational numbers. For example, you have to take the A equal to 3 by 4. A equal to 3 by 4. So in this of square root means, so for example rational number means it is a square number is 9 by 16. Square number is 9 by 16. Then you find the positive rational number, square root of 19 by 16 equal to, so here write 3 3s are 9 by, in the divide by numerator and denominator by square root. So 4 4s are 16. So we should write here 3 square minus 4 square. Square root cancel, remaining 3 by 4 will be there. So it is a belongs to rational number. It is also positive rational number. Did you understand, children? So square root of a positive rational number. So it is a symbol of a square root. Let A be any positive rational number. I have to take the positive rational number. 3 by 4 or 9 by 16. It is a square number. Square positive rational number. And we express root A equal to B. Root A equal to B. Then B square equal to, B square means here, B square equal to A. B square means 3 by 4 whole square. It means 9 by 16. So 3 by 4 whole square means 3 into 3 by 4 into 4. 3 3s are 9, by 4 4s are 16. 9 by 16. Okay. If and only then B greater than 0. B greater than 0. It means of the value of B is greater than, and B square equal to A. It is the value of B is here. B is called a positive rational number. Did you understand, children? It is a square root of a positive rational number. Okay. In this case, we know that rational numbers. Yes or no? So, in this case of square root of remaining next topic, up to here rational numbers completed, rational number topics completed. So, afterwards we explain that irrational numbers topics. Okay? Irrational numbers topics. Okay. So, in this square root of rational numbers, one example I explain that. I will explain the one example. So that is, find the value of root 2 up to 5 decimal places. Up to 5 decimal places. In this case of 5 decimals, 5 decimal place. So each decimal places carry 2 zeros. Carry 2 zeros. We have to take one decimal place is a 2 zeros. Here 5 decimal place means you have to write the 5. 1. It is a bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to take the how many zeros? 5 decimal place means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 places. 10 zeros because of each pair of 1 decimal place. Okay. 1 decimal place means you have to take the carry 2 zeros. You have to take the carry 2 zeros. Okay. Did you understand? Here asking about root 2 up to 5 decimal places. Okay. So already we learned that in the previous class only you find the values. Root 2 equal to 1.414 like that. Root 3 value something 1.732 or like that, and root 4 equal to 2 and root 5 equal to something like that only. You just remember that the values. So in this class is how we'll get the value. This is the how we'll get the value. Root 2. So root 2 decimal places. So how many take the zeros in this case? 2 point. Decimal means a point after. How many carry zeros? It is a 1 decimal and it is a 2 decimal. Here keep the points. And it is a 3 decimals and it is a 4 decimals and it is a 5 decimals. Okay, children, did you understand? So now do the division method. Now do the division method. So first we learn about the must and should multiplications method. We use the multiplication method. So here once observe that 2.0 carry the 2 zeros is 1 decimal point and the next 2 zeros second decimal points and up to here 5 decimal places. Because they are asking about up to 5 decimal places. Okay, children. Next, first take down two numbers from left to right of the number. Left to right. It means you take the decimal points, must and should write the right side onwards. You have to take the right side. So here decimal places. So next one, then write down its square root, namely 1 divisor. First, in this case of it is a nearly number is the 1. So it is multiplied by 1 into 1. So here write up to here write a which tables are possible, then we should write here coefficients. Okay. So 1 into 1. 1 ones are 1. So the 1 from 2 it means of 1 here. So now carry the first decimal point. So you have to take the 00. Okay. So now in this case of here how to take the 1. Then in this place of double, every time you have to take the double the number. So now in this case of in this place of 2 number, then you have to take the another place is the double number. Okay. Did you understand, children? So here 2. How many times of possible in 100 in 2? So in this case of, for example, so in up to here take the point, because of point after 2 zeros you have to take. Okay. So next here how many times of possible? So here list 21 into 1 means 21. So 22 into 2 means 44. Next 23 into 2 by 2 into 46. 23 into 4. So here 369. So here 3 4s are 12. 4 2s are 8 plus 1. So here write the 24. Here 21, 22, 23, 24. 4 4s are 16. And 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 96. So in the nearly number of 196. So again we should multiply the after number 5. So here 25 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 125. So it is a 125 the bigger number of 100. Okay. Then we have to take this number only. How many times of possible in 24 times. So we should write here in this place of 4 and up to here also 4. Here number multiplied this number. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 96. Then it is a subtraction. So we should write here up to borrowing 0. It means of 10, borrowing 10 minus 6 is 4. Here remaining 9 minus 9 0. Already here take the borrowing number 1. So it is a 0. So here 0. So it is a single digit. Another 2 zeros you have to take that. Another 2 zeros. We should not have write the 0. Okay. 400. So here in this place of it is the first digit is same, right? Next one it is a 4. So we should write here double number. So which number is possible in this multiplied by up to here 400, nearly 400. Which number multiplied that? For example, here we have to take the 1. So here 1, 281 into 1. It means of 1 1s are 1 8s are 1 2s are. Okay. Next 281 into 2. So here 282. So next numbers 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16 and 2 2s are 4 plus 1 564. It is a number of more than 400 more than. So which is the nearest number? 281. So we should write here 1 into 281. So here write the 281. Okay. It is clarity are there. So now subtraction. 281 from 400 subtraction. So how much is there? So here 0. Then borrowing of 10 minus 1 9. Okay, children. Next here 9 is there. 9 minus 8, 1. So here already borrowing the number. Here 3 is there. Okay, here borrowing number 3 is there. So it means 3 minus 2, 1. Okay. Next in this case 2. As usual write. In the second place also write. Then here you have to take the which number is multiply that. Then you write the doubled number. So now you have to take the another zeros, another decimal. So up to how many decimals completed? 1, 2, 3. Now we have to take the third point, third decimal. So in this case 282, which number is multiplied by 11, nearest 11,900, nearest 11,900. So here first we learn 282, 1 into 1 means of 1, 2, 8 as usual. Okay. Next in this case 2, it means of multiply by which number is possible of nearly 11,900. It is multiplied by 1 into 1 or 2 into 2. Once observe that. 2, 8, 2, 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16 and 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 5,644. Next. So it is another number 2823 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24, 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8. So it is also more. 2824 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are plus 1. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. 4 8s are 32. 4 8 2s are 8 plus 3, 11. 11,296. In the nearest number, here take the 11,900. So in the nearest number is the 11,296. Which number is multiplied that 4? Which number is multiplied that 4? Then we should write here 4, and in this place of also quotient we should be writing 4. Then 4 4s are 2824 into 4. Then multiply the nearest number 11,296. 11,296. Subtraction. So borrowing the number 10. 10 minus 6, 4. Here 9 minus 9, 0. Now next decimal point. Next decimal zeros. 0, 0. So here write 2, 8, 2. As usual write. Then here number is the 4. So in this case of doubled. In this case of doubled. So in this case 2, 8, 2, 81. Which number is multiplied is by the quotient. So here's ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Here in this case of 60,400. 60,400. Which number is multiplied by 60,000? In this case, which number is multiplied by? First we learn that 2, 8, 2, 8, 1 into 1. Just we observe that up to here how to take the 1. Afterwards multiply that. So 1 1s are 1, 1 8s are 1 2s are 1 8s are 1 2. Okay. Next 2, 8, 2, 8, 1 in here 2 by into 2. Okay. So here 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are plus 4, 5, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4. Here 46,564. So here 2 8 2 8 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24, 3 2s are plus 2, 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8, 3 8s are 24, 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8. So here in this case of 84,849. So which number is multiplied nearest number? 46,564. It is a greater number of 60,400. So it is a nearest number of 60,000. So which is multiplied number? Which number is multiplied? Into 2. We should write here 2. So write that 1.4142. Here write 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. Here write 5. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. So 56,564. So in this case of borrowing, 10 minus 4, 6. Here 9 is there. 9 minus 6, 3. Here 4 minus 1, 3 is there. Then you have to take the up to here borrowing. So here 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5, 8. Here 9 minus 6, 3. So here remaining 5 is there. Here remaining 5 is there. 5 minus 5, 0. Then last decimal points we have to take the zeros. Okay. So here write, as usual write 2, 8, 2, 8. And here number of the doubled right, double number. So in this case of ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, we should multiply. We have to take the any number, then we have to, we will get the answer is lakhs place. So which number is multiplied that? Then we have to. So here 2, 8, 2, 8, 4. So which number is multiplied? The nearest number 1 into 1 into 1. So we have to take the place of 1's place is the 1. So 1 1's are 1, as usual write 2, 8, 2, 8, 4, 1. So next 2, 8, 2, 8, 4, 2 into 2. Okay. 2 2's are 4, 2 4's are 8, 2 8's are 16, 2 2's are 4 plus 1, 5, 2 8's are 16, 2 2's are 4 plus 1, 5. So here write 5,65,684. So in this case of, so here 3 lakhs only is there, but here 5 lakhs. So it is a possible of one time into 1. 28, 2, 8, 4, 1. So here also write the 1. Next here up to here borrowing. So here 0, then borrowing of 1, 10, we will get the 1, 10, 10 minus 1, 9, here 9 is there, 9 minus 4, 5, here 5 is there, up to here borrowing 1 is going, so here 5 is there. So 15, here take the borrowing 15, here take the borrowing 15, okay, 15 minus 8, 7, 2 here 2 is there. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 8 minus 8, 0. Here 3 minus 2, 1. Okay. So next here we have to take the no decimal points are there. Then here asking about only 5 decimal points. Then I have to take the only 5 decimal. Carry each decimal is 2 zeros we have to take. So up to here it is a remainder. So you have to another 6 decimals means you have to take the another 2 zeros. And 7 decimals means you have to take the another 2 zeros. Okay. So did you understand, children? So here therefore root 2 is equal to 1.414. 4, 2, 1. How many point after how many decimal places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. Just you have to take the point after 5 decimals. Did you understand, children? It is a very, very important. It is find the value of root 2 up to 5 decimals. Did you understand, children, this process? Okay. Next homework is you find the root 3 value. Root 3 value. You find them to root 3 value up to here 5 decimal points. You take the 3 decimal points. Decimal places. Decimal places. It is the problem. Find the value of root 3 up to 3 decimal places. We should do the homework. Do the homework, children. Okay.
I hope to understood root 2 value. Thank you, dear students.